Hello, welcome to the video for graphing lines given a slope and a point. Let's look at letter A. Letter A asks us to graph a line with a y-intercept of 9 and a slope of -7. First we need to look at a new concept, which is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis, so it's a point where the line crosses the y-axis. So any of these points on the y-axis could be a y-intercept. Our specific y-intercept is 9. So let's look at the slope and the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 9, which means that its ordered pair is 0, 9. And my slope of -7 I need to transition it into a fraction, -7 over 1. And we need to also remember that slope is rise over run. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to plot our point. And the second thing we're going to do is then we're going to count the slope to the next point. So my y-intercept is 0, 9, which is right here. And my slope is -7, which means I'm going to go down 7 over 1. Whenever we have a negative slope, we always go down, and then whenever we have a slope, we always go right. So we're going to go down 7. So from 9 down 7 is 2. Then we're going to go over 1. And we can go down one more if there's room. So I'm going to go from -2 down to -5 and over one more. So I went down 7 over 1, down 7 over 1. Now I can connect my dots. And now I have a line that goes through the point 9 with a slope of -7. Y-intercept of 9, slope of -7. Let's look at example B. Graph the line with a y-intercept of 7 and a slope of 1/2. So my y-intercept is 0. So my y-intercept of 0, 7 and I have a slope of 1/2. Slope, remember, is rise over run. So we're going to go up 1, right 2. Let's graph it. So I'm going to go to 0, 7. And I'm going to go up 1, right 2. And we're going to go one more time. Okay. So my slope was up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. So I'm going to graph my equation. So now that I've connected the dots, I now have a graph that represents the point of the y-intercept of 7 and the slope of 1/2. So just remember to plot your point and count your slope to the next point. Let's look at one more example. For part C, it asks us to graph the line with a slope of -1/3 passing through the point -3, 3. We still can perform the same process as with an intercept. We just plot the point and we count the slope to the next point. So we're going to 1, plot our point, and 2, we're going to count off the slope to the next point. or next several points. So our point is negative 3, 3, which happens right here. Oops, it does not. Excuse me. My slope is negative 3, up 3. Okay? And my slope is negative 1/3. So just remember that slope is rise over run. Since it's negative, it's going to rise downward, and it's going to run to the right. So I'm going to go down 1, right 3. I'm going to go down 1, right 3 more. And now I'm going to connect my dots. And now I have a line representing the point negative 3, 3, and excuse me, and a slope of negative 1, 3. Excuse me, negative 1/3. Down 1 over 3. Down 1 over 3. So remember just to plot your point and count your slope to make another point. Good luck.